The graph of an equation of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is U-shaped and is called a parabola. The x-intercepts are where a graph crosses the x-axis. The x-intercepts always have a y value of 0. In this example, the problem is asking for the x-intercepts for this equation. To find the x-intercepts, we will let y equal 0. Next, we have a quadratic equation in standard form, so we will factor and then use the principle of zero products to solve for x. Factoring, we have largest common factor of 1. We have 3 terms. They are not a perfect square trinomial with a 5 here. Next, we will use factoring using guess and check and FOIL method, resulting in the following binomials that multiply to give us that trinomial. Setting each factor equal to 0, we have the following: x minus 5 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0 by applying the principle of zero products. Solving then for the variable here gives us x equals 5 or x equals -1. If we put this together then, we originally let y equals 0 and found a corresponding value of 5 and a corresponding value of -1, which leads us to the coordinates of the x-intercepts. X value of 5 with y of 0 here, and the x value of -1 when y is 0 for the value of the other x-intercept.